There's a few things that you can do to make healthy nutrition really quick and easy. One of the first things is every time you cook, think about how you can turn that into a second meal. Either make enough that you can pack maybe for tomorrow's lunch, or if you're cooking chicken for dinner tonight, think about how you might turn that into another meal tomorrow. The second thing is to pack really convenient portable snacks, things like string cheese that are individually wrapped, whole fruits, yogurt, nuts, protein bars. These are things that are really easy to carry with you but make nutrition very convenient. Third thing is that protein shakes can make a really quick, convenient meal. You make them with protein powder, with milk or soy milk. You can add fruit or vegetables, and you can get a lot of nutrition in a glass. Don't shy away from convenience, because frozen fruits and vegetables, for example, are just as nutritious as fresh, and they're really convenient to have in your freezer. You can add fruits to your shakes, you can put them on top of yogurt, you can add the vegetables to soups and stir fries, and they're very, very convenient ways to add more fruits and vegetables to your day. It really helps if you keep some good basics at home. So in your pantry, you should have things like canned tomatoes and beans and tuna. And in your freezer, some proteins and some fruits and some vegetables. And also in your pantry, keep things like whole grains, pasta, brown rice, quinoa. If you have those basics with some herbs and spices, you can put meals together pretty quickly. Another thing that really helps is think about one-dish meals. These are great because they save you time in cleanup. When you go out to eat, keep your basic plan in mind. If your plan is normally to eat protein and vegetables, for example, for your meal, those are the things that you should zero in on when you're looking at a menu. So look for your lean proteins, look for your salads, look for your vegetables, so that you can put together a meal that would be something that you would make at home. The last thing is, no matter how busy you are, try not to skip meals. It rarely works as a weight loss tactic, and when you skip meals, you get overly hungry, and what that often means is that then you're going to eat the next thing that you can find, which may not be the healthiest thing that you could put in your body.